recording again. Okay, so if you want to configure, like put the code into in your WordPress or wherever, like definitely yes, you can. You may need to do a little bit styling on top of that.
Okay.
Now, let me go back to the Salesforce as a case object. Now, on the case object, if I go to the case, you will see
Laptop is not mouse
no,
problem.
mouse.
Problem with mouse. Problem with mouse is there. Third record.
Problem with the mouse, or mouse is not working. I think like today, I will open anyway today case.
Problem with mouse.
Yeah. Mouse issues. I think this is the one. Let us.
Mouse issue. Oh, this one is it. Okay.
So I created myself. The contact name, web email is there, but the contact name is not get populated because my information is not present in the contact object. That's why like the information is not get populated. As soon as my name is present in the contact object, it will get populate all these fields automatically. And I put mouse is not working after connected. So mouse issues and the date. Okay. So as soon as the case is created, there is a one email will send automatically. Thanks for submitting your questions online. Like this is your case number. Yeah. And now it will assign to a owner. Depends on the criteria. You can have a different criteria. So that is assignment rule. Using assignment rule, the case will be assigned to the internal users. Either it could be assigned to our internal direct users or it will be assigned to a queue. So how do we create a queue? I will quickly show you that. So go to queue. You can create a new queue, support queue, and the email address if you want to put, you can put it, and which object, case object. And who are all will be there in the member of the group. Save. Now you can use the case assignment rule. And based on your conditions, you can put the case once this condition is met, assigned to queue. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
As soon as the case is assigned to a queue, the queue member will have access to it, and they can anyone can go and take a ownership of that. They can assign themselves, and they can work on start working on the case. Okay, that's all.
We can do also for one person, right? So that it gets auto assigned.
Yeah, this is a one person, right? Like I'm doing it one person now myself.
Okay.
You can do it one person, or you can do it via group. Yeah, there are multiple options. And these days, Salesforce introduced omnichannels. OMNI, omnichannels. Omnichannel means the system will help you to connect with the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, all the medias, and wherever like they posted like any issues, it will get rerouted into a case object via omnichannels. Again, you need to configure the omnichannel in Salesforce. Yeah, those are all like a service cloud product, and it's again license based. It's not free. Now, another one more here in a case object, there will be escalation rules. Where is that? So auto response rule, assignment rule, escalation rule. Web to case we are done, escalation rule. Now, escalation rule means what? Let's assume the case is created today and it's high priority case and it's assigned to one user and he didn't close that case for one day. Then the system will automatically escalate that case to their managers. Basically tier 2 team or tier 3 team, like yeah, depends on the hours you set it up. If the case is not resolved in a specific timeline, then it will escalate automatically. So these functions automatically available in a case object, but for all other custom object is not available. We have to build it, right? If you are using the case object, easily you can adapt all these actions, right? But if you are using the custom objects, there is no escalation rule. You have to build a escalation rule on a custom objects. But where in case if you used a case object, yeah, by default available, simply you can go and use it. So now let me show you the escalation rule. So escalation rule, there is a one escalation rule already. See here, in escalation rule, these many entry rules, default, these are all default. Now if I go for any one of the entry rules, there is a escalation actions. So as soon as the case is created and their account billing country is equal to US or USA or United States of America, and account SLA is equal to platinum, and the case priority is equal to I, it means it will wait for 2 hours 0 minutes. If it's not closed within 2 hours, then it will escalate to so and so users, and it will send a notifications. So you can increase the escalation hours. So instead of 2 hours, you can put it into 4 hours, or like, yeah. Okay, to whom you want to reassign the case.
And I think it can get assigned to the manager as well. That is notify users. It can be this the manager, right? The second
Yeah,
one.
there you can put it to direct users, or you can put like a queue member, like you can assign to queue. Yeah, like you can put it into a tied to manager, right? Like, you know, any specific manager, not like the manager field. You cannot use the manager field here.
Yeah, I think I know that X and Y are there, so I can say
Yeah.
user as X and notify users as Y. Y would
Yeah,
be the
exactly.
manager, right?
This one, yeah.
Yeah.
And these are all the templates. What kind of email template will be used on that? And also, do you want to send a notification to the owner, who is the previous users, like the previous owners? Okay, and also you can include additional 5 email address for tracking purpose. You can, whenever the email is sent out, you can store that email out response into an email address. So you will have one proof, one copy in the email field. So for that, you can add like a maximum 5 email address. Okay, so that's for the escalation rule. So the escalation rule already available on the case object, but other objects is not available. If you want, you have to build it your own using the Apache or using the flow. Via flow, you can build it like a escalation rule. It's a bit of complex.
For the other objects, we have to do it.
Yeah, we have to do it. It's not available ready-made.
For contact is not there, right? Contact.
No, only case object, the escalation rule available. For other object, maybe if you want to escalate something on another object, you have to build it. It's not available.
One code.
Yeah.
Apex code. Okay.
Yeah. Our flow these days, like we can use the flow. Okay. I think like if we have less than a minute, the meeting is going to be end. Can we discuss like another one more topic tomorrow? Is that okay?
Yes.
The one topic is missing, which is email to case.